Now we'll see how we can create the 1 day solar study. So if I just simply go to the preset, and you can see I have selected the 1 day solar study, and here on the right hand side you can see there is settings. So we have location. With the help of these three dot with the box, you can just simply click here and choose the location, whatever location you want. Next one is a date. From here you can actually choose the date, any date you want, just like that. From here you can specify the date, you can specify the year as well. Also you can choose the time, you can specify the start time, you can specify the end time. And if you want to see the study from sunrise to sunset, in that case you have to just simply click on that. After that you have to specify the time interval. So right now you can see the time interval is set to 1. I'm going to change this to 15 to get more information out of the solar study itself. And ground floor plan, okay, yes, I want my ground floor plane at the ground floor, and then I will hit apply and then hit OK. And now on our plan you can see our compass, we have the start point for the sun, and each one of these circles here is an hour and inside of a 15-minute interval.